Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's get started with February 2021 mechanics paper M1, which is paper number 4. Let's look at the first question. The first question, let's read it thoroughly. The first question is about two particles P and Q of masses 0.2 kg and 0.3 kg respectively are free to move in a horizontal straight line. So the first thing that needs to be underlined is that the masses of P and Q, and they are free to move in a horizontal straight line on a smooth horizontal plane. So nothing to do with friction or resistance or anything like that. Particle P is projected towards Q with a speed of 0.5 meter per second. At the same instant, Q is projected towards P with a speed of 1 meter per second. Later on, what happens? Q comes to rest in the resulting collision. Find the speed of P after the collision. Now, let me label this question. This is February 2021, and this is mechanics paper. So this is paper 4. And there is only one variant, which is variant 1-2. Now, when we are talking about two particles, this is before and this is after. First of all, this question is about momentum. There is a particle P, there is a particle Q, there is a particle P, there is a particle Q. This is P, this is Q, this is P, this is Q. Label it very, very well. Initially, P is projected towards Q and Q is projected towards P. So look at the arrowheads. They are pointing in opposite direction. The velocity in the right-hand side direction, I'm giving it a positive sign. So this is 0.5 meter per second. And this one, 1 meter per second, is like this. But in calculation, because of the arrowhead, this will be taken as negative. Afterwards, what happened? We don't know what is the direction in which P is going. So I'll simply write V meter per second. And Q came to rest. We are looking for the speed of P after the collision. So now the working as momentum before collision is the same thing as momentum after collision. So P is 0.2 kg, this is 0.3 kg, this is 0.2 kg, this is 0.3 kg. Simple working, very, very simple. This is 0.2 into 0.5 plus 0.3 multiplied by -1. This is the main thing. This negative sign, all the marks are for this particular thing. That's where people will trip over and make a mistake. This is 0.2 multiplied by V. This is 0.2 into 0.5, that's 0.01. This is negative 0.3. This is 0.2 V. And this comes out to be 0.3 minus, that's not 0.01, my bad, that is 0.1. Okay. So this is 0.2 into 0.5 is 0.1. So this is negative 0.2 divided by 0.2 equals to V. Therefore, V comes out to be 1 meter per second with a negative sign. That means particle P has changed direction. So this particle P has changed direction and it's moving in the other side. So P has changed direction because that's what the negative sign is saying. And it's moving with a speed of 1 meter per second to the left. Initially, according to our diagram, it was going to the right. Now it's moving in the opposite direction.